that good fun?
I know what we're round. Take the right way round.
He's the right way round, is he?
That your life.
Madison, what have you made?
She.
Oh, very good. 2 carriages. And where are you going to go?
That's some tickets. There's some.
You're going to get some tickets for the train.
It's the
Jake. Are you having good fun with Madison in your carriage? Your very own carriage. Oh, looks like Madison's driving. Good driving.
We're here.
You're here, you've arrived.
Can't get out.
Oh dear.
Can't get out.
Okay, that's the end of the journey. Bye bye.